Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be explaining all about hydraulic braking system. What is all about braking system? So braking system is nothing but whenever we are using our car, bike, taxi or whatever, right? So every car or bike will have wheels that rotates. When it rotates, then only our vehicle will move further. When vehicle is moving, when suddenly somebody comes on the road, what we are doing, we are going to put the brake so that the rotation of the wheel will come to the halt. Now, the same concept we are trying to adapt here in a simple working model. So here, with a simple concept, what we have done here is this wheel, whatever we are used the CD, we are considered it as a wheel of a car. Now, that wheel of the car is running via the DC motor, and we also given a battery here with a switch. Now, for this wheel to stop rotating, so we have to apply a brake. Now, how we are going to apply the brake? By making use of these two syringes, we are trying to simulate a braking system. So that we call it as a hydraulic braking system. This braking system works with the concepts or principle of Pascal law. Using that concept, we are trying to implement this braking system. So now I'm going to demonstrate how this braking system really works. Now we are going to switch on this motor. Now when it is switched on, what happens? Vehicle will start moving. When suddenly somebody comes on the road, what we are trying to do is we are going to apply the brake by pressing this syringe. Now you see the vehicle got halted. Wheels are not rotating. That means vehicle come to an halt situation. Now when people move away from the road, now we have to remove the brake. When we remove the brake, what happens? Again, vehicle will move further. So this is a simple concept we wanted to explain in this working model. What is all about hydraulic brake system? If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.